It's been a long time since we last reviewed a TWS. So today we are excited to bring back with a review of a fantastic HearPods Pro 2 from the brand called Hearmo. These two wireless earbuds come with active noise cancellation and promises to deliver an impressive audio experience. And let me tell you, they truly do. Our teammate Vishwamurthy has been testing them out for the past few weeks, and in this video, let me share about their features, performance, and whether they are worth the hype. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about the features of the Hearmo HearPods Pro 2. These earbuds come packed with some impressive technology. They boast a 10mm dynamic drivers with ANC support, which means you can expect rich and clear sound quality. The inclusion of active noise cancellation is a game changer, as it effectively blocks out unwanted external noises, letting you immerse yourself in your favorite music or a podcast. With 4 microphones, these earbuds ensure crystal clear call quality, and the low latency of 50 to 60 milliseconds ensures that you won't experience any audio lag while watching videos or playing games. Moving on to the design and connectivity, the Hearmo HearPods Pro 2 have a semi-in-ear design, and they are very lightweight, making them comfortable to wear for extended periods. Plus, they come with 3 size ear tips, so finding the perfect fit shouldn't be a problem here. Connecting these earbuds is a breeze thanks to their Bluetooth 5.3 support, and they also come with a Type-C port for charging. So there was no issues pairing them with smartphone, and the connection remains stable throughout usage. The TWS will always be in pairing mode, meaning they are ready to connect with any new device on the go. Now let's talk about the battery life, a crucial aspect for any wireless earbud, isn't it? So the HearPods Pro 2 offers up to 6 hours of playtime with ANC enabled and impressive 8 hours with ANC turned off. During the continuous testing of the earbuds, we were able to get close to 6 hours mark with the ANC turned on, and the volume was set around 60 to 70%. It's important to note that there are only 2 modes available in this TWS, ANC and transparency. This means there is no normal mode, and ANC will be on at all times. Additionally, the charging case provides an extra 20 plus hours of battery life, ensuring that you won't run out of juice during the long journeys and workouts. So in a real world testing, you can comfortably get a week's worth of use in a typical work-life situation. Even with continuous usage, the earbuds will easily last 2 to 3 days, which is the best in this segment. The design is sleek and modern, catering to a wide range of preferences. As for the price, the Hearmo HearPods Pro 2 are priced at 1,699 rupees in India. So speaking about the price, everyone are very conscious about it, isn't it? When you see a product costly and suddenly when it falls to your budget, is a game changer. So see this is a 1,299 worth Puma bag was sold for just 199 rupees. And this Gotham 100 ml perfume, which is worth of 1,995, was sold for just rupees 299. Yes, if you want to avail such offers, then don't forget to join our Telegram Deals channel. Here we post regular deals, flash sales, coupons, and many more. You will definitely end up saving more than what you think. Now let's get to the part that you have been waiting for. What are the pros and cons of this earpods? The first big pro is the impressive sound quality. The 10mm dynamic drive and ANC support deliver clear and immersive audio, making your favorite tunes sound even better. Actually, Vishwamurthy has told me he was very much surprised by the quality, especially considering the price segment. Having tested numerous high-end earbuds, the HearPods Pro 2 may not compete head-to-head, but they come close to that level of performance. You get clear vocals and high and lows are well defined. However, one area where they couldn't quite match high-end earbuds is an sound separation and the bass sync, which could be better. But for most users, this sound quality will be more than adequate, and considering the affordable price you pay, you will still getting impressive audio performance. Next up is the active noise cancellation, which works like a charm. It blocks out background noises, allowing you to focus on your music without distractions. The battery life is also commendable, as I mentioned earlier. The comfort level is excellent thanks to the semi-in-ear design and multiple ear tip sizes provided. There was no discomfort even during long listening sessions. So now coming to the con side, the only one downside is the lack of wireless charging. While it's not a deal breaker, but it could have been a nice addition to the feature list. The touch controls can be a bit finicky at times, leading to unintended actions. It might take some time to getting used to, but it's not a major drawback. For some users, the active noise cancellation might be a bit too aggressive. Although it blocks out the external noises effectively, it may feel overwhelming in certain situations. So to conclude, the Hearmo HearPods Pro 2 are an excellent option for those seeking truly wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation and good sound quality. The features like the 10mm driver, AAC support and reliable ANC make them stand out in the market. While they have a very few drawbacks such as the lack of wireless charging and occasionally funky touch controls, these minor issues don't take away from their overall performance. So if you are in market for a pair of reliable and affordable true wireless earbuds, the Hearmo HearPods Pro 2 might be the perfect fit for you. To buy this, you can check out the link in the description below. And also don't forget to check out our TNS Deals channel. So that's it for today's review. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting reviews and tech related contents. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you soon in the next one. Until then, this is Manish. You're watching Technspice. Bye.